You like this video, right? You just watch. How about when I tell you that you can also do your video like that? You can animate your character. You can actually do your video like just as this one. This AI generate content, so you can actually do yours like this. If you observe the thumbnail of this video and the video itself, you notice that it's clear like the AI video, like the first part you just watched is very clear. I just use only ChatGPT and Hendra to create this. Now if you want to create this kind of high quality video, listen to this video and please don't forget to like and share this. Now the reason why I'm saying this, some people doesn't know how to ask AI questions. You understand? One of the reasons why most people will use AI to generate videos and they are very blur is because of they didn't put their description where they didn't specify the kind of quality of video they want. You understand? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now if you follow categories of persons, please listen to this video, because after this I'm going to be dropping the tutorial video, because after this talk I'm doing, the tutorial video is next after this video. Now if you are this kind of person, please put your know how to describe what you want. Like for instance, now you want to create a video, you say generate a 4K video. Make sure it's 4K, because one of the most clearest video you can ever find in YouTube, you see 4K, 8K, HD somehow, but you see 4K is clear. If you see that thumbnail now, I generate it using and this thing, what is it called, ChatGPT, and it's by what description. Go online, ask Google questions, make research. You understand? Now we'll head on to the tutorial video right after this. Okay, so please drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section. In any place you don't understand about this video or what I've said so far, please indicate in the comment section and I'll help you out. Alright guys, first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your Chrome, then you need to search for ChatGPT on your, but if you have the app it's okay, but I'm using Chrome to do the work. So here is what you're going to do. This is a prompt I generated from my last video. So this is the first part. This one here, you have to copy this prompt. This you have to copy it, then you go to gallery, then this is where we have to copy the prompt. Sorry, you copy it. You copy this, first of all you screenshot it, then you go to your gallery, then from here you have to copy it. Then after you copied it, then you go to your Chrome back, then there's a website. Look at it. Yes, this how you can get this website is that you go to your Chrome on any web browser, you type hedra.ai.com. here's the name. So what you do next now is you click your character and you upload any image. Look at the AI image I generated with ChatGPT. You can also use yours like that. So for us to save time, we have to use any one of these one. So let's use this one. Let's use this. All right. So now they say audio script. You enter audio script. Then say this generate speech. You click on it. And you go back, then that prompt we copied just now, you place it here. Can you see it here? Then you go back, then I say choose a voice. Let's use this one. Let's use the world is round. So you click on it, you click on add, then they say prompt your character with emotions and gestures. So now they say inspire me here. So there's a person looking at a camera happily. No. Person smiling. No. Let's give it our own. So you see head head movement and hand gestures. So can you see it? Then you click on OK. Then you click on generate. So can you see it? It will generate this one much faster. Then for here you press continue. I don't want to generate this now, but if you press continue, it will generate. And mind you, this website is free. You can use this website to generate as much video you want to generate. You understand? Though you will put money after every year. They have yearly plan, they have monthly plan. Okay, but for now, this is for free. After you create 150 videos, that's when you'll be charged for any video you are creating. So understand? So this how it's been done. Okay, so let me show you something. Let's say 225 credit running. So you see this thing now is the amount of video you've done. You get, so for you to use this website, it's free, and you can actually create a video with high quality graphics. So if this video is of help to you, please like and share this video.